The 13th type of problem is on probability again. It is on multiplication rule. Multiplication rule involving independent events. Let's read a problem and understand what is it. Omari has two pairs of red socks and two pairs of white socks in a drawer. He has a drawer with two red t-shirts and one white t-shirt. If he randomly chooses a pair of socks from the sock drawer and t-shirt from the t-shirt drawer, what is the probability that he gets a pair of red socks and white shirt? It is very, very important to know this word, and. And means it's multiplication. All you need to understand is what is being asked over here. Red socks, see, they are not mutually inclusive. I mean, then they are not dependent on each other. They are independent. Now, how we understand is socks is something separate. Now, whatever is happening to socks, the probability does not affect the t-shirt because the number of t-shirt, total number, favorable numbers are different, right? Here, let's learn about socks and then probability of t-shirt. So, P of socks, probability of socks, and then probability of t-shirt. Which are the socks that's required? Red socks. How many red socks are there? Two red socks and two white socks. So, two red socks out of how many total socks? 2 plus 2 is 4. So, favorable outcome, red socks is 2. Total outcomes are 4. Multiply it with the t-shirts. White t-shirt, how many white t-shirt is there? 1. Divided by the total number of t-shirts is 2 plus 1. 2 red and 1 white. So it is 3 total. All you need to do is solve this up. It'll be, over here it's 2 one time, 2 two times. It'll be 1 by 6. So that would be the answer. 1 divided by 6. That's it. The final answer is 1 by 6. However you do, that'll be the answer. Now you can use your calculator to check the percentage. 1 divided by 6 will give you 0.1667. It's close to 17%. That's the answer. So you can just remember the method which I did. Over here in detail, the explanation is given. You can read through it. But sorry, this is more than enough. The same thing is told in detail. That's the answer. Let's try this. You can try pausing this video and try it by yourself. I hope you paused and tried, but we will go through it now. Phyllis drops a penny in a pond and then she drops a nickel in the pond. What is the probability that both coin lands with tail? Both coins, that is the penny and the nickel, shows the tails. When it falls, it will be the tails on the coin. So if you have a coin, there is the dirham and there is one more thing called dalle, right? So that dalle thing is called the tails. The heads would be, I'm sorry. It depends, because sometimes if the numbers are there, that is called the tails, and the emblem or picture will be called heads. It depends on various things. So anyways, it's one of that, okay? Dirham or dalle, it's one of it. That's it. So if you remember heads and tails, now what we can do is we can easily separate these two things, penny and nickel. So I'll write P and N. Okay, and means always over here, and is there, so it's multiplication. See, both of them must land on tails. What is the probability? It will be tail. 1 out of 2 multiplied with 1 out of 2, because the probability doesn't matter which coin it is, of head or of tail, is half itself, 50% chances. So the answer is 1 by 4. That's it. So that will be 25%. That is the answer. Same way we have to do same type of problems. We'll just quickly go through these. A die is rolled and a penny is flipped. Now over here, die, it is total possibility of 6. And then a penny. Penny is a coin, that is 2. A die is rolled and a penny is flipped. Okay. Find the probability of rolling a 2 in the die. How many digits are there in this? Only one digit will be 2. That is like if the die is fallen like this, 1 and 2. Only one possibility, isn't it? So that is 1. And a tail, that is again 1. It's 1 by 12. That is the total probability. So 1 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1 by 12 or 8% chance. Okay, we will do this one, last one over here, because then they are all similar. Let's say this: a bag contains 3 red marbles, 2 green and 4 blue marbles. A marble is drawn randomly from the bag and replaced before a second. You see, this is very important. Replaced. What it means is, now, how many are the total marbles? Let's just check that. Let's think about, no, let's read the problem first. Is replaced before a second marble is chosen. Find the probability both are blue marbles. Now, let us understand this. Total number of marbles: 3, 5, 9. Okay. What is being chosen? Blue marble, right? So, 1 blue marble. But now, look over here. If it is not replaced, if they don't put it back, in the next try, it's going to be less. It had to be less over here. Sorry, this is wrong. How many blue marbles are there? It is 4. I hope you have noticed that. Okay, 4 by 9. Now, in the next try, it should have been 3 by 8, but they have told it is replaced. Okay, you choose a marble. Okay, I got blue color, put it back. Now, again, I'm choosing it. So, it's going to be the same thing, 4 by 9 itself, because the total marbles are 9, and there are 4 blue marbles, and the probability that both the blue marbles will be is 4 by 9 2 times. That will be 16 by 81. So, that is the answer. Let's just check. 16 by 81 is the final answer. You can put that in calculator and get about 20%. It's just double check. 16 divided by 81, sorry, is very close to 20%. It's 19.75%. That's the thing. Okay, I thought I'll stop, but I'll just do this anyways because over here this is a different type of problem. A forecast predicts 40% chance of rain on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday it's 40%, that is 0.4. And what about, this is Tuesday, T, and what about Wednesday? It's 60%. Wednesday it is 0, okay, 60% is 0.06, 0.60. I'm sorry. What is the probability? If these probabilities are independent, they're not dependent on each other. What is the chance that both the days there will be rain? Just multiply this. That's it. Now, we can use multiplication over here. 0.4 multiplied by 0.6. The answer is 6 by 25, or 24% would be the answer. The final answer is 24%. Now, here it is 6 by 25. What they have done is 40% is 2 by 5, 60 means 3 by 5. They have written in fractions and multiplied, but the answer will be the same. You multiply directly. Why do you want to do extra steps? If you understand the concept, it's more than enough. And this is, you will have 4 options, so easily choose the correct answer. So that is the end of the topic 13. Now topic 14 is also on probability, but that is about conditional probability, which we'll see in the next video.